Should we tell them about the Matt?
I don't know. It's kind of, with them, it's not gonna be,
Guys, come here.
What?
What? I don't know if you're gonna believe this, but you know how Matt and I and Russell and Ricky and Nick went to the lake a month ago.
Mhm.
So something happened to him there, and now he's gone crazy and he attempted to kill a bunch of us. And
that was sick.
something is seriously wrong. It's not funny. He tried to kill people.
Come on, man.
Wrong with you.
Serious. Oh my God.
So, I don't know if he's just gone crazy
Or
if he's actually...
Is he possessed?
Yes, he might be possessed. So, just keep an eye out. If you ever see him, hide and run, or he will probably stab you. So,
There's an off chance that you
Run.
there's an off chance he doesn't know where we are. But there is a possibility he could be watching us right now, or he could be walking down the street attempting to kill other people. So, we should stay
Together
quiet
and
stay
quiet.
together at all times. If we separate, then the stragglers will probably get stabbed or dragged back to hell. Who knows?
Whoa.
What the? Oh my God.
Go. Come on, guys. Stay together.
Okay, it's probably just wind or something.
Yeah, but
In a house?
Inside a house. Come on.
Are you mental?
Is that possible?
Hello? Hello? No, that's probably no one.
Yeah, like one.
What? Matt.
I'm back. Back then.
Russell? Do you see this? Russell?
Hello, Russell.
Mike?
It's Matt!
Nobody there. No one there. I don't see anyone. Dude.
You don't
Guys.
see anybody.
Time to die!
Guys, there's nobody there.
Guys, there's no one there.
What are you talking about?
Matt's not there.
Did you see him?
No one is there. I didn't see anyone.
Russell.
Nothing is
Hallucinations.
here.
Russell.
You guys,
Hallucinate.
you're
Russell.
hallucinating. He's
him.
not there.
He's
Okay?
Remember,
here.
we all had
Snap
hallucinations.
Snap out of it.
Alright, guys, it's alright.
It's okay. Just, we know he might be dead, so just
Shut up.
Okay.
let's pray. Let's pray that he never comes back.
We ain't praying.
Let's go over there to that table.
It's like, is he even dead or alive? I had no idea.
How could a lake make it possessed?
Maybe it was just like, yeah, they're. How does?
Holy shit! Matt. Oh, God.
What do we do?
No, we have to run. There's nowhere to run. We're hide. You dumb. Stop scaring me. Where'd he go? He left.
No.
What happened? Oh, God, he's back.
Watch your backs.
Watch your backs. Don't look. Don't turn back. Where did he go? I think he left. He left through the gate.
I just leg. Oh, my jaw's broken, man. I'm breathing.
Okay, I'll make it rain.
Christian, what's wrong? Where'd he get you?
Oh my.
What? Christian, what? Christian. Matt. Come on, man. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
You should know. The lake.
Get away from us.
We left you there because you were trying to kill us. It's not our fault.
I'm not Matt anymore. You should know who I am. Don't you, Michael Russell? Remember!
Come on, man. We just want to. We just want to.
So, you should remember, Mike.
Do you?
Russell, just run.
I can't.
I'm sorry. sorry. Screw you all. I'm on my own.
No!
He's Satan himself. Max,
Time to die, Mike.
come on, man.
Should have done this a while ago. You're the last to see her. Where is she?
Where's who?
You should know. Remember back at the lake?
She deserved to die.
You weren't even born
She
yet.
deserved to die. She killed people.
You think my wife deserved to die?
She killed people.
She didn't want me killing all the people I killed. I did it anyway.
Go back! Get off me, man!
Just go back. I kept doing it. Then, just one of my
Sorry, man. Come on, Russell.
brothers
Come on, Russ.
killed them.
Come on, Russ. Come on, Christian. Run. Come on, Christian. Come on, Christian. Matt, come on. We can lay low. We can lay low for now.
Yeah, the ambulance is coming soon.
You can take the camera. Make sure to document everything else that happens.
Oh God. Oh. Mike, let's go. Let's go. Come
You
on.
can never escape me.
Let's go.
We're sorry, guys.
Let's go. Go.
We're sorry, guys.
Ah.
You. I'm gonna continue my rampage.
No.
As for you. As for you. I remember your great-grandfather. He was my second victim I killed. This thing on? Perfect. I, Mark Peterson, in the possession of my great-nephew's body, will continue my rampage of killing and killing. And Russell and Michael, if you're out there and you get this, just remember, I'm coming.